Hey guys and welcome in 2025. Today we show you a way how to exchange crypto from Coinbase to PayPal. The link of the exchange service can be found in the description. You have to enter an email address of your PayPal account where the cash will be sent to, and you should add a contact email for support. This can be the same as your PayPal email account. When done, just continue by clicking on Exchange. Send your crypto from Coinbase to the generated address, and after the transaction is confirmed you will receive your funds on your PayPal account which you entered on the previous page. After the confirmed transaction you will have the balance added to your PayPal account. Subscribe and leave a like if this tutorial helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.